Okay, I'm making something with yogurt, almonds, and peanut butter, and the blueberries. I'm sorry, you can't see the blueberries, but we're using organic yogurt, these kind of peanuts, and these kind of peanut butter. And the blueberries, I'll show you what kind of blueberries we got. Better open the fridge. So our house is pretty old. Something. We don't know what, because we just moved here. Well, it's been a long time we moved here, staying here. We're moving soon, so you can't just pack everything. So you can if you want to, but you can't. I want to pack my gum bag, but I can't because it's too big. And what is it? And blueberries.
Oh, we gotta wash those.
And we wash them. And this is what kind of blueberries. You might want to get, if you want to have this stuff, you might want to get this kind of blueberries that are at Walmart. You might see them. If you don't, it's okay. You might want to move here if you want to make it.
So you're making
yogurt, and when it has everything, we have to stir it up, and then we're trying to make a yogurt thing, and we're trying to make a yogurt cup, but it doesn't. We don't have a yogurt cup, so we're doing it in my bowl. In this bowl. So,
oh, cool. So you mean instead of buying the little store-bought container packs of yogurt,
yeah.
you can just make your own flavor of yogurt, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So get a little more peanut butter. Make sure you don't go over here when these little things are dropping.
Mm-hmm.
Wait until they don't. Now put it in because they're not. Okay. Now start to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Now put this back right there.
Mm-hmm.
Now put all the peanut butter in here and mix it all up for a little minute. I said you have to mix it up in the end, but we also have to mix it up so the peanut butter can be inside some of the peanut butter.
Let's wash our blueberries and then we'll come back to our video.
Yeah. So hold on a second. We're going to watch our video blueberry. After we watch the video blueberries, we're going to get them back on the video. Okay? Okay. We're back on the video. So we got the blueberries all washed. You can see. Look at these blueberries. They're all washed. They're wet. Yeah. I'm trying to get. So now let's pour them in. So first we gotta pour them out of our net and put them in. And now they're in. Now we gotta mix it all up. You see, why is this bowl out? For us to share after the video. And the video's almost over. And it's pretty much now. So now it's made. Now
Yay.
This. Then let's try it.
Is it good? Yay! You made that up all by yourself. Peanut butter yogurt with cashews
And blueberries.
and blueberries. Ta-da! That's awesome.
I'm smashing the like almonds. These kind of almonds, like almonds.
Mm-hmm. Let's see it. Wow. Very good. Oh, it's a hit.
See you next time.
See you next time.
You see me on. Remember, you saw me on the blueberry on the jumping couch. Remember that jumping couch one? That's me. That was me. But my brother's not here today. He's at his stepmom, so it's just me and my mom and dad. So maybe next time when you see me, maybe he might be here. This guy who's out wearing the glass. He's a 6 years old. Whose size is 6 years old. He's the glasses. He's the little guy. That's my brother, and he's not here today, so he's at his stepmom. So just me and my mom and my dad. So see you on the next video. I hope you see my brother someday.